Whether you are on testosterone replacement therapy for many years or you're just considering starting it, you will have wondered what is the best TRT protocol. Others are always trying to find that magic winning formula. In this video I will give you some tips and tricks to make your TRT protocol even better in 2023. First remark, if it isn't broken, don't try fixing it. In the comment section under the videos, as well as in the Facebook group with the same name as this YouTube channel, we get a lot of comments from people trying to switch from testosterone cream to injections, from intramuscular to sub-Q, from sub-Q to intramuscular. But remember, if there isn't really a reason to do so, why bother changing anything? If you feel great on your current TRT protocol, why would you want to change anything anyways? Still, a big issue on many men's mind is how to find a provider that will give you a TRT prescription. You, just as many other men, are watching these YouTube videos to learn more about this topic, and in many cases you are more knowledgeable than many doctors in your surroundings. One of the tips that I can give you is, if you know how to do it, but you don't find a good provider around you that can provide hormone replacement therapy, then instead of going the underground labs route, why not find a good GP or general doctor and explain to him your symptoms, your labs, discuss with him what you want, and if he is really interested, he can learn more about this topic and you can start your HRT journey together. Before we go on with more tips and tricks, I want to say this. I really hope that you learned something or even a lot by watching our YouTube channel and the Facebook group, and if you really appreciate what we're doing, consider becoming a member of the YouTube channel. You can use the link in the description or in the pinned comment for this. And if you have any questions or suggestions for new topics, you can also leave them in the comment section. And remember, the TRT and hormone optimization community is also on Twitter with the same name and on a Telegram chat. All the links are provided in the description of this video. Next tip, before you change anything to your TRT protocol, first optimize your diet, your sleep and your workouts. You all know I am a big proponent of flexible dieting, but flexible dieting only really works for your health if you respect the 80-20 rule, meaning 80% of your calories should come from clean, unprocessed food, and only 20% can come from fast food, unclean or processed food. Next, make sure you have a good sleep quality as well as sleep quantity. Try to sleep for at minimum 8 hours in a dark room and preferably in an unheated room. Make sure you are not exposed to blue light the hours before you go to bed, and consider taking melatonin as a supplement. If you can take at least 20 milligrams each evening before bed, you will also have the other properties, the other benefits such as antioxidative and anti-cancer benefits from melatonin. When you take melatonin before going to bed, because that is the nighttime supplement, take vitamin D3 in the morning, because that is the daytime supplement. As soon as you see the sunlight, your body starts producing vitamins. So take vitamin D in the morning with food. For 2023, we have some new guests lined up in the coming few weeks and also some brand new topics for you. We're also going to talk again about toxic masculinity, because I think that's a really big topic nowadays. Not only take care of your TRT protocol, and also be proud, stand up for what you believe. If you're fighting for free speech, then use it to speak out. If you do not agree with your government, with other scientists, media experts or colleagues, dare to speak up. Science is done by comparing opposing views, not by censoring. Never forget what they did in the name of science. It's also important to speak up about your testosterone replacement therapy to others as well. Make sure everyone around you knows that testosterone is safe and beneficial. We need it to live. This is not like some strange drug or anything. Correct others when they are talking about testosterone being a drug. In many countries, like in Belgium, large percentages of the population took part in the C19 mRNA experiment, which has no long-term safety data at all. But they oppose the use of testosterone for a man suffering from hypogonadism and the typical low T symptoms. I have some more tips and tricks lined up for you on starting TRT. Now click on this thumbnail to go and watch those next. See you there.